Shiraz, and the weather is raining. Oh my god, rainy Shiraz is the best ever you could imagine. So today I'm gonna show you the Ram Garden, which is a very beautiful place. Which is a really beautiful garden in Shiraz, and it's really famous. And it's one of the most beautiful gardens you can ever see in your life. So just let me show you.
The symphony of emotions like melodies that flow. Every note, every chord, a story to be told. In the melodies of eternal love our hearts unfold. Harmonies of passion in every beat. In your arms my soul finds its retreat. With each refrain we're lost in time. In the melodies of eternal love, you're mine.
This is what's happening when you leave your car in the rain.
Every storm our love will never sway. With every verse we write a song so true. In the melodies of eternal love I find you. Harmonies of passion in every beat. In your arms my soul finds its retreat. With each refrain we're lost in time.
You may wonder why there's a lot of people here. The reason is it's Nowruz, and Nowruz vacation is about 13 days. So I just realized it's illegal to get into the building for public, but you can see the beautiful building behind me. I'm giving you a quick lecture about it.
You're divine. Harmonies of passion in every beat. In your arms my soul finds its retreat. With each refrain we're lost in time. In the melodies of eternal love, you're mine. As the music fades, our love remains strong. In the melodies of...
I'm gonna leave here because the rain is gonna get heavy again, and I'm not ready for it. As you can see, my hair is look like wet raccoon. So, as long as I look like a wet raccoon, I think I may need a coffee right now. So, we're just going to a coffee shop, I think, for a coffee. I do not like my look right now. I think I'm catching cold. I think I'm gonna catch cold. So, I forgot to say this. It's Ramadan right now, and it's hard to find a place that is open because it's illegal to selling food during the Ramadan in Iran, and you can barely find a place that is open, which I don't like that. I think that messed up my beautiful memories. So the main mansion is a complete example of Qajar architecture, which is inspired by Zen and Safavi architectural method. Architectural method. I want to buy a coffee, but I think the place is closed. I couldn't find a place to drink something, so we're getting back home just for some small stuff. But right now, I'm going home just for a chill. I feel sleepy. Fix my hair, fix my makeup because I cried during the filming because the wind was too powerful. So we took a rest at home. As you can see my eyes. And now it's after the iftar. It's the time it's legal to eat food. And we're going to a cafe. We're having a coffee or something. For the orders, I got a mocha. She has espresso, she has hot chocolate, and she has a shake. And he has beautiful chocolate cake. It's baby. So guys, this is Hafsin. Hafsin is some S like us. It's coin, sikkah, it's garlic, seal, it's apple, sip, samanu, in Persian we say samanu. It's senjet, it's olyasar. I think this, I don't know what is it, it's maybe sumac or sumbul, I don't know. I cannot realize it, I think it's sumac. That's greenery, sapsin. We also paint the eggs and mirror and candle for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17 table. 11. It's so beautiful. So this is my favorite edge of my room. I really love this place because I have my couch, I have my balcony, and we're always opening this door and sitting here drinking coffee, reading books, but right now it's pretty cold, so I'm gonna close it. So anyway, this is my favorite edge of my room. I was cleaning my room and I found this book, The 5 AM Club, and I really loved it. I usually do not love the psychology books, but this one is really good because there's lots of quotes from the big people in it. And I just read the half of it 3 months ago, so I have to finish this. I think I'm gonna finish it in the vacations, which only 7 days are left from the vacation, but I'm gonna finish it. It's 17 seasons and I read 12 of it, so it's only 5 seasons, so I can finish it. I can finish this, and I want a new habits for this year, and I'm gonna put them in my what is it? Planner, in my planner. And I was just forgot it. Is it my planner or my journal? This planner is really good. First of all, it tells you to set some dreams, like 15 dreams you have in my life goal, like finance and net worth. There is some kind of really want to chart here. Like I really want to walk in the morning, reading books, and daily exercise. I think what just look like that I gain weight because I had a face like this. But right now I have a book called Fat and I don't really like it. I'm gonna follow my exercises. My top goals for this year in health and fitness, I definitely put the exercise and walking and edit my own videos. I always skip this part. I don't know why. I'm always recording a video, but I'm never gonna edit them. So I think I have 5 vlogs left, but I never edit them. Like 2 travel vlogs, 2 like there's a lot of vlogs I didn't edit. I don't know why. And one of the habits that I forgot to tell you, I really want to wake up at 5 a.m. because that's the time I need. He's cutting a tomato. She is making a curry. And we also have salad, which my mother made. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what kind of content do you like to see from me. Hope you have a good day. Bye.